Hi and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to create a US dollars credit card from scratch. It's very simple and easy to create. All you have to do is come over to Play Store and search for Wallet Africa, and then you will see this app logo, and then you have to install it if you haven't installed it, and then you open it. I've already installed it, so let me just quickly open it. And when you open it, you will see this interface. This is their home page. It's actually an application, so this is what you see on their home page, and very simple to register. I've already registered and I've gotten my wallet address and I've gotten my US credit card, and this is just how the app works. So over here they're asking if you want to create the wallet for personal use, send money to anywhere in Nigeria, make payment anywhere on the internet, anywhere, just any platform that requires you to pay a bill or to transfer money using credit cards. You can just do it with this credit card that will be available for you here. And this second option is for it. They are asking if you want to use the wallet for your business, experience simpler way to bank for your businesses. They are simply asking you whether you want to use it for a company, maybe your company transaction, all those, or for personal. So you just select personal and then you create your account. It's actually very easy. All you have to do is follow the process. Use your phone number to register it, and then after you confirm your phone number, they will ask you to sign in your email, and then you fill in your details. You add your BVN, and it will take like 3 days for them to approve your application, and that is all. After you are done, then you'll be able to log into your account. I've already registered with them, so I just have to log in. So I'll just log into my account to show you how it works. Okay, this is how it looks like. As you can see, this is the account number they use. It's actually a Fidelity account number, and these are the account number you copy and transfer money into. So you can copy it and transfer money through your bank or to any POS. Just fund your wallet with this account number, and then once you fund your wallet, you will see your balance will appear at the left hand corner at the top. So any amount you fund will appear at this naira column, and when you convert it to dollar, as you can see, this is the balance I have in my dollar account, and these are the transactions I've made to show you that this platform actually works. These are the transactions I've made, and it's working perfectly, and their customer support is very awesome. These are the transactions I've made, and just to show you that it's working perfectly, all you have to do, I actually have a visual card. As you can see, this is my US dollar card, and it's very simple to create. All you have to do is follow the registration process and confirm your phone number and submit your BVN, and you see it's very simple to create. And this is now a visual card. It's free. They will give you your card number and give you your account number. Everything will be complete. You see your CVV, you see your card number, you see your expiry date. Everything will be complete for any online transaction. So feel free to register and start enjoying your online payments. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and give it a like button to support me and make more videos like this. And if you are interested to know how to connect it to your PayPal account, just let me know in the comment section below. And thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it.